to a girl from the poor side of town. I was young and lean, wearing cami greens, shipping out in 20 days. But a love like ours could survive anything. She told me she would wait for me forever. Lonely days and lonely nights in a land so far away. It's enough to drive a strong man insane. It's the quiet times you hate the most, when you long for her embrace, and the silence that whispers her name. She told me she would wait for me forever. But love grows cold in a young woman's heart when she needs somebody to hold. And the fires die fast in a long distance love when you find yourself so far